Hi guys, this is Buya Nabi Bangura, the YAM National President, Youth Action Movement in Sierra Leone. Yes, so why is SRH very important? SRH is part of life. I say this very critically because when you look at achieving all 17 sustainable development goals at the global level, you see that there is poverty, zero hunger, access to quality education, among other things. I'm very sure if we prioritize sexual reproductive health rights at all times, we can have people having pregnancies they want, having children they can take care of, and having to take care of their well-being. And that eventually will it completely eradicate poverty, it will reduce all of those other things I stated. This is why SRH is important. SRH also gives that identity, it gives that right that if I choose to be a single person this time, I should have to be respected. Nobody should force me to get married. If I choose to get married, nobody should tell me when I should have my kids with my beloved wife. All of these are very important key elements. It also gives you that identity, especially for young girls, young women out there, that if they choose to appear in a certain type of way, nobody should dictate for them, as in, oh, you're dressing this way, why are you looking this way? Culturally, all of those things are against divine human principle, humanity. We have to just accept and believe that differences do exist within ourselves. So why can't we just tolerate them? This is all part of SRH. In terms of puberty, in terms of comprehensive sexuality education, in terms of menstrual hygiene management, all of those other things, family planning, community access, improving modern contraceptive prevalence rates, and many others. So if we want to say the goodness of sexual reproductive health, how relevant this is, if we tend to prioritize it at country level, within Africa, for example, that is so youthful of a continent, we would have people completing their schools, go to universities, and then they have well-paid jobs, and then quality of life will improve. How can we improve inclusivity? I think it's very important, first off, to have right representations across board. People from the LGBTQI community, disability group, other minority groups in underserved communities, everyone has a voice. And for me, inclusivity starts by meaningful representation. So we should have everyone represented at all points. And then importantly, when we want to take decisions, we have to do so inclusively so that these people will feel valued. Because after all, we're all a part of the society, you know. So these are among many other things, whether it's somebody coming from a sex worker community, maybe using drugs or whatever. I'm sure most of the time we have reasons why we evolve into these certain categories of life. And why can't we just have that? So it's important to ensure that we have respect to our various differences and also understand that we can be better together as a people.